Well, it sure is a great day out. A great day to go camping. I'm gonna go ask Jeffy. Hey Jeffy. Jeffy, wake up.
Yeah, Junior?
Hey Jeffy, do you want to go camping?
But we're going to the playground. Why do you want to go camping? And besides, what is camping?
Well, camping is better than playground. Ow! Oh.
What did you say?
Camping is better than the playground.
No.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Playground was more fun.
No.
Okay, well, fine. I'll prove you wrong.
What?
Who's coming with us?
Luigi, Toad, maybe Joseph. I don't know.
Okay, fine.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Okay.
Well, Jeffy, here we are at the forest.
They look kind of ugly. Why does it look like a dump?
Because it's a forest.
Well, what the fuck's over there?
People.
My helmet!
Well, Jeffy, you're the one who punched me.
Well, it's because you really don't know how to explain things well. This isn't even a forest, this is a park.
What the happened?
I punched Junior in the face because he really didn't explain well. What are you doing? Why are you like that?
I'm just surprised that that he didn't explain it to you.
Yeah, he sucks at explaining. Like, what grade are you in?
1.
What?
That explains why he's stupid. He's in first grade.
Yeah, he is stupid though.
Can we just find a place where to camp?
I agree. Let's go.
Let's go this way.
Okay. This is a shitty campfire.
No, it's not, Mario.
Well, you know what I should have done? I should have invited Donkey Kong. He knows how to make a real campfire.
Kind of racist, but let's just stay on in this campfire that's totally not special effective.
What? I'm not a racist.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Not.
Yes, you are.
Please stop fighting.
You're in first grade.
Shut up.
Mario.
What, Jeffy?
I go wander off the forest, but I'm bored.
You know what? Knock yourself out, you stupid idiot.
Alright, thank you.
I'm gonna go with Jeffy.
You might as well. He might get lost and then we'll be here all night looking for him.
Okay then. Bye.
Bye. Jiffy? Junior? Hello? Who was that?
It's me, Mario.
Ah! Luigi! You son of a bitch! You scared me!
Oh, sorry. Where's Jeffy and Junior?
I don't know. The stupid idiot Jeffy, he decided to go walk off into the woods, and Junior decided to accompany him. Have you seen them?
No, I have not. And why would you let them go into the forest?
Oh, well, you know, I don't know.
I'm gonna go get them, and we're getting out of here. It's too dangerous out here.
I agree.
All right. Jeffy, Junior, where are you? Oh my God, Jeffy and Junior. I'll get you out of here. Come on, let's go. We are almost out of here. Ah!